Hi, in this video we will see the last step of PLL, and before doing the last step of PLL we must have this situation where on all the sides you have a pair of headlights on the third layer. So see, this is green and green, in this side I have red and red, this side I have blue, and this side I have orange. And one of the sides have all the three pieces solved. So all the three pieces are solved in this. So I will keep this solved side to back and then do F2 and then the next step is, so see the center color of this side and see which side is that color. So if the center color is green and green piece on the top layer is right now on the right side, on the left side it is orange. So if it is on the right side, then bring it on the front, do a U, then do a L, R prime, F2, then do a R, L prime, then again do a U like this, then F2, and your cube is completely solved. Thank you.